Hi everyone, I'm Kaina. I make this video to fulfill my final project of intensive listening, and this video will tell you about report text. COVID-19 is an infectious disease which is caused by several acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, one of type coronavirus. This disease first detected in December 2019 in Wuhan, China. This disease initially exists in animals, then contagious to humans because they're serving food those animals are still alive. Lockdown as the way to stop the spread of COVID-19 gave big impact to nature and animal. China is the world's biggest emitter of greenhouse gases, but the lockdowns dropping in emission there with nitrogen dioxide level falling by up to 40%. Scientists have seen a similar effect in Italy and France too. And pollution level in major American cities are down too. The sky become clearer and the air cleaner as impact of lockdown that shut down factories and limit transportation. Across in India, Los Angeles, Jakarta. A year ago, Los Angeles ranked the worst air quality in the entire country, but now, according to the CIO of a company that tracks global air quality, Los Angeles had the cleanest air of any major city on Earth. And the other effect of COVID-19 is that a lot of wildlife is entering the city. On March 25, 2020, in Santiago, a wild puma got lost in the capital as Chileans stayed indoors to slow the spread of COVID-19. And because of lockdown in India, an endangered seafood cat was seen on a zebra crossing. On March 17, because of starving, monkeys entered Lopburi city looking for food because no tourists in Thailand. While in Indonesia, some 60 animal parks have closed since March. Sulhan Shafi'i, spokesman from Indonesia Zoo Association, said there is no aid from government or any other international organization. Then, with a heavy heart, we'll have to sacrifice the herbivores such as deers or non-endangered birds to the carnivore. Some zoos in Malaysia, Thailand, and Germany are also relying on donations to avoid drastic measures. I think that's all about the effect of COVID-19 for nature and animal. Thank you for watching.